What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and the kind people over at Benks, they were kind enough to send me out 2 cases for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first, we're going to do the Armor Pro 600D. This is built with dew point Kevlar. And Kevlar is a nice, rich kind of material. And this is just what the box looks like here. So you just peel off the tape. They got that on there. Tough. So you just peel the tape off, just like that. Put that down. Then you just pull the lip up. You're greeted with the case. This is a nice feeling case, I can already tell you that. But this is what it looks like in hand. You get that nice Kevlar pattern there. This feels real good and soft. It says Benks right there. It does have MagSafe capable charging. So we're just gonna drop the S25 Ultra in like so. And this is fitting snug because I have this paired up with their screen protector. But this is what this case is gonna look like. You do get a nice lip, so if you place this flat on the table, you should be good to go, no problem at all. You also get your power button, nice and clicky. Power up and down, volume up and down button. You hear that? Nice and clicky, no problem. Your power button is nice and clicky, no problem. Coming down to the bottom here, you have access to your USB-C charging port. Easy access to get that S Pen out and in. Nothing on this side. Turn around to the back, you get that nice deep cutout for your cameras, so you do not have to worry about your cameras touching the table when your phone is laying flat down on the back. This is a nice look and feel for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let me bring in something with MagSafe. Can get it charged up. This is dead, but this will work. It clicks on just like that. Now let me go get a MagSafe capable product so we can check to see how tough it is. So this is a MagSafe wallet. Put this on there. Let's see something. It has a nice snug fit. You do not have to worry about your MagSafe ring or MagSafe wallet falling off of the device because it is good to go. So this is a nice look and feel for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I like how that looks. I like the little gray accent around the camera. I like how it does not add any kind of bulk to your device. So now let's move over to the Armor Air Aurora color. This was the Armor Pro 600D. This is the Armor Air Aurora. pretty much the exact same design, probably just a different color and probably less, a little bit less protection, but you're still gonna get some protection with this one as well. This is what it looks like. Like I said, with this one, you get a lot less protection, but you still get protection. It's just with this one, with this being the Air, the sides are open, as you can see. As on this one, everything is one full case housing. This is like for somebody that wants a case on their device, but they do not want a bulky or all inclusive case. They just want something to protect the back, but they don't care about their size being out. So we're just going to place the S25 Ultra in like so, and this is what this is going to look like. It looks good, but I prefer the Armor Pro because everything is protected, and with the Armor Air, your power button and your volume up and down button are out. So if you happen to drop your phone like this, you can scuff those up, but to each his own. But this still is a nice look. It's very, very thin, but you do get access to everything at the bottom. No problem with getting your S Pen in and out of there. Coming over to the back, you do get a nice cutout for the camera. It's just the same cutout like with the Pro. And this is Aurora bluish green color. So with this case, you will really need a screen protector because this one does not have a bumper around the front. But if you do have a screen protector on, you can still put your phone flat down on the table and you will still be good to go. This does have wireless charging, MagSafe wireless charging. You can connect MagSafe rings, wallets, so on and so on. But these are nice looking and feeling cases overall. So this is what you're going to get right here. I will make sure I drop a link in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.